Have you ever thought about making money with your gardening skills? Well, the world of online platforms is brimming with opportunities for green-thumbed enthusiasts like you. You could be sharing your knowledge through online courses or doling out advice on social media. Perhaps consulting services are more your speed, or maybe blogging and affiliate marketing. The possibilities are as varied as a well-tended garden. So if you're ready to turn your green thumb into green cash, let's dive into these 5 methods. First up, we have online courses. What's great about this is that your own personal gardening knowledge and skills can be your ticket to a steady stream of income. You can share your love for gardening with others while also making a profit. Creating an online course can seem daunting at first, but it's all about breaking it down into digestible lessons. Think about what you've learned from your own experiences and how you can transform that into an engaging course. Marketing the course is equally important. Social media, emails, and even your own personal garden blog can be effective tools to get the word out. The key to success here is finding a niche within the gardening world that fits your expertise. Maybe you're a wizard with water features, or perhaps you have a knack for nurturing native plants. Whatever it is, your unique gardening skills are what can make your course stand out from the rest. Next, we have making money through social media advice. Imagine your digital space blooming with photos of your lush garden, helpful tips, and your unique insights into the world of gardening. Just like a seedling that grows into a beautiful plant, your social media platform can flourish too. Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube. Each offers a unique way to share your gardening wisdom and connect with fellow enthusiasts. Engagement is key here, be it through responding to comments, hosting live Q&A sessions, or sharing user-generated content. The more you engage, the more your following grows. And as your follower count blossoms, so do opportunities for monetization. Think sponsored posts, partnerships with gardening brands, or even paid promotion of gardening tools and products. The beauty of this approach is that you're not just earning money, you're building a community of like-minded individuals, all bound by a shared love for gardening. Essentially, if you can grow a garden, you can grow a social media following. Thirdly, we have consulting services. Just imagine your expertise in gardening and landscaping can be turned into a profitable consulting business. It's all about offering your knowledge and advice to clients, who could be homeowners wanting to spruce up their gardens or businesses looking to enhance their green spaces. You see, your insight can help them make their surroundings more beautiful and environmentally friendly, and they'll be willing to pay for it. But how do you attract these clients? It starts with marketing your services effectively. Use social media, your personal website, or even word of mouth to get your name out there. Don't forget, building a portfolio is crucial. Show off your successful garden projects or stunning landscape designs. And of course, positive testimonials from satisfied clients are pure gold in attracting more business. By offering your expert advice, you can help others grow while growing your bank account. Scene script. Lastly, we have blogging and affiliate marketing. Now this is a double whammy of opportunity. By starting a gardening blog, you can create a platform to share your expertise and passion, all while generating income. This can be achieved through advertising and affiliate marketing. So, what's affiliate marketing, you ask? Well, think of it as a partnership between you, the blogger, and a company. You promote their products on your blog, and in return, you get a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Simple, right? Let's consider the kind of products you could promote. It could be anything from gardening tools, seeds, planters, to organic fertilizers. You could even branch out to outdoor furniture or garden decor. The possibilities are truly endless. But here's the thing. To attract readers and potential advertisers, you need to create quality content. It's not just about plastering ads everywhere. You should provide value to your readers. Share your gardening tips, review products, and bring your personal experiences into it. Let your passion shine through your words, and your readers will appreciate it. Your blog then becomes more than just a platform for ads. It becomes a trusted resource, a community, and a brand. And that, my friends, is the secret to successful affiliate marketing. With blogging and affiliate marketing, your love for gardening can bloom into a profitable online venture. And there you have it, 5 ways to make money with your gardening skills online. Let's recap. You can create online courses, offer social media advice, provide consulting services, start a blog, or venture into affiliate marketing. Each method has its own unique appeal. The key is to find what suits you best and to cultivate that area. So, are you ready to make your garden grow, both in the soil and in your bank account? It's time to harvest the fruits of your labor.